Ever dream of creating a dessert just to steal the show? Today we are making a strawberry and raspberry mousse with a dropping of mirror glaze. It's easier than you think. This is Chef Muhammad Abdel, and let's get started. And we'll put the strawberry mousse. And the next step is we're gonna keep the strawberry mousse on the freezer for 24 hours. Strawberry mousse cake. What occasion would you make this for? A birthday, a romantic dinner? Get creative, and when you do, tag the Culinary Media. This is Chef Muhammad Abdel, and see you with the next episode. Now we'll put the mousse. Now the finish will be with the gold dust. Now we explain the dish is we have the strawberry and raspberry mousse and with mirror glaze on top and the gold dust.